I spent several years making shorts. I went to school at the American Film Institute, where I studied directing, and spent a lot of time writing screenplays. I had written about 9 or 10 screenplays before I had even written Hereditary. When I first endeavored to write Hereditary, the first question was, what scares me? And so I was first, I had to investigate my own fears, and then I found that they were, mostly fears that kind of had no remedy, things like the fear of death and fear of abandonment, and so I hope that the film preys on those fears. I feel that audiences come to horror films with certain expectations, and there's a certain amount of complacency that comes with watching genre films. And so, if anything, I was concerned with making sure that I was setting up formulas that I wanted to subvert and play with, to sort of hopefully shock the audience out of that complacency.